Alright, dude. We are live. Oh, oh, that's pretty fucking sweet.
And B, he's getting that part of that.
What's out, G-Bay?
Oh, this feels so good now.
Oh, yeah. You're gonna have to get out in like 5 minutes so and let yourself dry off again.
So, are you dry now?
Huh?
Are you dry for real? Are you dry now?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh, dude.
I almost drowned.
Oh my god.
This can't be designed to do that.
It kind of is. You look at it, watch where it drinks. What's up, Ludovic?
What's up, Ludovic?
What's up, buddy?
How you feeling, buddy?
Huh?
Better.
Nice.
Better?
This one's going to be jackknife.
To wake you up?
Couple times.
Feel better though? A lot or a little?
Dude, look at the fucking nice work, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting it over here now.
Dude, we could probably make that whole thing down there into one entire pool. Make that like a wading pool down there, like right down there.
I think you might be immersed.
Like, you kind of wonder why they didn't make that.
Don't throw that at me, I'll fall. Oh, you fucking dick.
I'm gonna launch it right down there.
I would have thrown it down there if I were you, but.